Hello everyone, this is Malton Schexnayder with the PT Practice Builder, and I'd like to welcome you to this short video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build consistent streams of income utilizing the power of cross-promotion. So what does an athletic shoe store and your physical therapy practice have in common? Answer: you both have clients who could benefit from each of your respective services. So here's how this thing works. What you do is you find a shoe store and you approach the owner and you tell the owner that you would like to recommend to your patients that they purchase their footwear from the owner's shoe store. In turn, whenever one of the shoe store's clients inquires about some particular health-related problem, such as shin splints or knee pain or anything like that, the shoe store essentially recommends your practice as a means of solving the client's problem. Here's a diagram of the model. Okay, here you see the physical therapy practice has patients who are in need of good footwear. The shoe store has clients who are seeking answers to some health-related problem they're experiencing. And the rationale here is that people, in general, are silently begging to be led, and they're going to listen to people they perceive as being trustworthy. So if the shoe store recommends the PT practice, people will tend to follow that recommendation because they trust the shoe store owner. Conversely, your patients are going to listen to you, and if you recommend that they talk to the shoe store owner, that's what's going to happen. This entire relationship is even further enhanced when the client of either the shoe store or the PT practice is benefited in some way. So for example, let's say that the patients of the PT practice are not only that you recommend the shoe store, but these patients also receive a 15% discount by buying their shoes from that particular shoe store. It gives them an incentive to go in and purchase. And the clients of the shoe store are benefited because they can access the PT practice by way of a free consultation, which in essence puts you in the driver's seat for either capturing a new patient right then and there or referring the patient to a specialist, which in turn helps indirectly build your practice by establishing yourself as a valuable referral source, as well as enhancing the perceived value of your services through the patient's eyes. So below you'll find access to the sequence of letters that I use to set this process up. Okay, so here's a summary of the cross-promotional campaign and some of the rules you'll need to abide by. So first, when setting up a cross-promotional campaign, you want to choose a business that is not competitive or perceived to be competitive with your practice. Obviously, you don't want to take away any income or profits from either business, yours or the cross-promotional business that you're hooking up with. And then thirdly, you want to make sure that each of your business's clients receive some benefit. So like the free consultation or the 15% discount that I described above. And then finally, you want to do all the work so that it's an easy, no-brainer setup on the part of establishing the relationship. So I hope you can see that by using this simple strategy that I've described, you're basically only one good sales letter away from establishing mega success. Remember that little things done consistently will yield extraordinary results, and this is certainly the case with utilizing a sales letter campaign. So with that, I'd like to introduce you to a product that I have in the works that I call the PT Practice Builder's $1 Million Sales Letters. This is, in fact, my entire collection of sales letters that generated massive profits for my practice. Here's a few examples. A wellness letter that brought in $36,375 in just 2 weeks. A cross-promotional campaign that brought in $15,250 in a month. A reactivation campaign that brought in 20 quote-unquote new patients, or $20,147 in found money. And an email follow-up autoresponder campaign which was responsible for 50 new contacts and 29 new patients over the course of a year and generated $31,345. So what I've done is I've packaged all of the letters up and got them set up into a nice workbook with the letters organized by campaigns, along with a CD that has the Microsoft Word documents that you can easily copy and paste onto your letterhead and customize the letters to basically fit your needs. And then, like I said, the letters are organized by campaigns, and I've got the professional prospecting campaign letters, and these are the letters that are designed to get your message to the referral sources in a way that establishes you as the preeminent physical therapy practitioner, which in turn separates you from all of the other physical therapists who are clamoring to get the same referrals from the same physicians. Let's see. In addition, I've got the internal prospecting letters, and these are the letters that you're actually going to send to your existing patients, which will help you reactivate patients who may have slipped through the cracks. It'll help you with your no-show cancellation rate, and will give you ideas on other products and services that you can begin to offer your patients. And then finally, I've got the external prospecting letters. And these are the letters that will help to establish yourself as the expert in your area, and includes letters for host beneficiary relationships, endorsement letters, and cross-promotional letters. This is Malton Schexnayder with the Physical Therapy Practice Builder, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Be on the lookout for additional practice building tips and information at myptpractice.blogspot.com. Thanks again, and look forward to talking to you soon.